Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the fiber service is active and locating the ONT box. This matters because the ONT is the signal source. Once you have the router, a quality Ethernet cable, power, and your ISP login, power the ONT first and wait for stable LEDs. Next, connect the Ethernet from ONT to the router WAN port. Make sure the cable clicks firmly. These first steps establish physical link and authentication readiness, so the network can be configured. You log into the router web UI or app using the default IP. This is where you tell the router how to talk to the internet. Enter the ISP credentials exactly if PPPoE is required, otherwise leave WAN on DHCP. Once the WAN shows connected, configure your LAN. Pick an SSID, enable WPA3 or WPA2PSK, and set a strong password. Also change the admin password and note the router's firmware version. You finish by testing performance. Run a wired speed test to verify near expected throughput, then test Wi-Fi in key rooms to identify coverage gaps. Once done, enable Co-S and prioritize gaming or conferencing devices and set a guest network for visitors. If things go wrong and you see no link, power cycle the ONT, then the router, and inspect the fiber connector for dust or a loose snap. If the issue persists, contact your ISP with the ONT LEDs and test results ready.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.